my wife, Angie Donner, are moving westward.
We're traveling with a whole bunch of people. I'm a little nervous about winter, but I think we'll be fine. Wow, look, the mountains. I wonder if our messenger has found out about the pass being safe or not.
He's probably fine, don't worry. Whoops, I'm dead lol. Guess I can't tell them about how the pass is super dangerous and they're all going to die if they go on it.
What could go wrong? Let's go.
Oops, our axle broke and we don't have any more. And we're running out of food. And now it's snowing. We are all literally clowns. This is the worst day of my life.
Don't worry, the snow will stop.
Are you sure about that?
Angie, no, why did you have to die? I loved you. It's only a matter of time before the rest of us starve too.
Let's eat her.
What the heck, man, that's gross. That was a joke, please chill. You're kinda right. Death is a natural part of long travels when we live, and if I'm not willing to accept that, then...
Yummy food, yes.
This is so weird. I was joking, actually this is the worst day of my life.
Why would you do that? That's really gross. That's it. I'm leaving. I don't care if it snows more, I just want to get help. Well, she ran away fast. Hey, you guys want some? It's our only food.
Whoa, who are you?
I'm here to save you.
Oh, okay, let's go. I'm glad we made it. That was a traumatic experience. I hope others learn from our mistakes and never take that pass in winter again.